In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up payment reminders in Dubsado. Payment reminders are a great way to keep your invoicing process organized and reduce the need to manually follow up with clients. Once reminders are set up, Dubsado can automatically send notifications before or after an invoice due date, helping clients remember upcoming payments while saving you time. To get started, log into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Since payment reminders are connected to invoices, you'll first need to open the project that contains the invoice you want to update. From the left side menu, click on Projects, then choose the project you're working with. Once the project opens, look across the top menu and click on Invoices. This will display all invoices associated with that project. Open the invoice where you want to add payment reminders. After the invoice loads, scroll down until you find the Payment Plan section. This is where Dubsado manages payment schedules and reminder settings for that invoice. If the invoice already has a payment plan selected, click into the payment you want to edit. Inside the payment settings, you'll see the option to add or manage reminders. This allows you to choose when the reminder should be sent in relation to the payment due date. For example, you can set a reminder to go out a few days before the invoice is due. You can also add a follow-up reminder after the due date if the payment hasn't been completed. The exact timing depends on how you want to manage your client communication. As you configure the reminder, make sure the message is clear and professional. A friendly reminder usually works best, since it helps clients remember the payment without sounding too aggressive. Once the reminder settings look correct, save the changes. Dubsado will now keep those reminder settings attached to that invoice payment, and the reminders will be sent automatically based on the schedule you selected. This can be especially helpful if you send invoices regularly or work with installment payments, because it keeps the payment process moving without requiring manual follow-up each time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up payment reminders in Dubsado. With automatic reminders in place, you can spend less time chasing invoices and keep your billing process more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.